I bet you didn't know that in some communities, silence is actually currency. At Primex Funded, we don't just talk about results, we show them. If you want to break the silence, you need proof. Here, silence, spelled dollar islands, is not a virtue but a sign of value. You don't brag, you don't spam, you work, you earn. And when you've got verified results, that's when you speak up. Only 2 reasons to post. You've earned from your trades and can prove it, or you're funding one of our 3 Mission 20.1 trading accounts. Mission 20.1 Cohorts account, $200 minimum and rising. Join early to lock in the best price. You'll thank yourself when it hits $1,000 down the line. Social trading account, just $100 to start. Make $20 a day with simplified trading and benefit sharing, or try the contest account for only $50 a week and compete for real cash prizes. Ready to join? First, pay the $159 cohort fee to unlock Mission 20.1 and all its perks. Then keep your subscription at just $59/month. Remember, only proof of earnings or payment breaks the silence here. Anything else? Expect zero tolerance. So what's your move? More trades or more contests? Vote in our poll and follow our WhatsApp channel to stay in the loop. Sign up now at primexfunded.com, and show us you're not just making noise, you're making money.